Today, we're transforming this home with a fresh, modern look using Sherwin-Williams premium dark iron exterior paint. Preparation is key to any great painting project. Our team meticulously preps the exterior to ensure a flawless finish and long-lasting results. We're using Sherwin-Williams dark iron, a rich, bold color that adds depth and character to this home's exterior. Whether you're staining or painting, attention to detail is crucial. We use top-quality products and proven techniques to deliver a beautiful, even coat. From the walls to the trim, this dark, sophisticated color enhances every architectural detail, giving the home a sleek, contemporary appearance. The transformation is complete. With Sherwin-Williams dark iron, this home stands out with a bold, modern finish that's sure to last for years to come. I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. Home restoration experts did an amazing job. Ready to transform your home's exterior? Contact home restoration experts today and let us bring your vision to life with expert craftsmanship and premium materials.